And Adwoa is standing here tonight just by His grace. 3 weeks ago, we got hit by a very serious news. Yeah, I come to church, I'll be smiling with everybody, dress up, look good. Oh, Adwoa is so beautiful. Oh, that girl, yeah. I was battling with something. The Nemo family got hit with a devastating news. They didn't know I was gonna say this or I was gonna do this. Please bring it up a bit for me. I went, before I get into that, I started having this pain in my throat. I didn't know what was going on. If you see me, whenever you see me touching, it was bothering me. I was scared. I didn't want to go to the doctors because, doctors can sometimes scare you. And especially 3 weeks to a concert. How do I go see a doctor? My husband forced me. He's like, you know what? You gotta go. I went to see this doctor. He did all he had to do. Mindy, can I have that? Tonight, if this is the only reason why Fired Up Encounter was organized, glory be to God. This doctor gave me this report saying, and I think you have throat cancer. Don't cry for me, because I serve a living God. I have done too much for this kingdom. I have done too much. My family and I, we have sacrificed a lot. Mind you, back in April, I started doing this hashtag for His namesake. You see me in this Adidas. That was sponsored by my best friend, by the way. And I was sure everybody was enjoying it. But little did I know that those few words for His namesake, there was going to come a time that these were going to be the only words. Whenever I go on my knees, I could cry out to God. I said, God, for His namesake, it means your reputation. And so, Father, I have seen you do it before. You did it in the past. You are the same God today. So speak. Father, speak. This is an error. No, this is an error. This is an error. Semina mochemua one minena minam asuma yasoja wakamwa mosemi bade orenya orenya My Jesus Christ. Oh, yeah. So watch this. I said this doctor is giving me too much grammar. He's saying things. Let me go check with another doctor. We went to do another test. Same thing. I came home. I said to my husband, Papa, the droid here, MSI was saying G2. My husband said, no, it is an error. No, it is an error. I went back on my knees. I prayed even harder. Kadabeta Tuesday, Televadeva, Remini Mama Manosha, Rinim Pakados, different Telebed, Rapadabaka, Rinimes, the Vantadada, Aya, Rapoda, Rinkanama, Rapa, Nikanamasa, Seni penny nara yimima, a sitting a yimo, Sawa Kamisha, Senida Swany Narasa, Mitsumenia, many Wabia Ranches or Raptor. Messiana Memonaza, Ashami Ukami Wote. Mitroputa Kasipi me Mosumerate Enimako went to see another doctor because I said, this is an error. This doctor did all he had to do. And then the report came. Said, Nana, I don't know what these other doctors are seeing. I don't know what they are saying. I don't get it. I don't know. But there is nothing. There is nothing. I looked at him and I said, you know what? The truth of the matter is, there was something. But he that lives in me, he that has started a good thing in me, is bringing it to an accomplishment. And no man, no devil can stop it. In this very atmosphere, I need an envelope. If you're here, you're battling with something, let me introduce you to my God, the I am that I am, the conquering lion of the tribe of Judah, the one who saves it and comes to pass. I need an envelope. Grab an envelope. Take a